Take the progress where we can get it. We were able to get out in the backyard for a little bit today and have some fun. So we're taking the wins where we can get it.
Oh, absolutely. And George, when that sun came out, it really did warm up pretty nicely.
I was talking to one of our engineers last night. He said you could just feel the warmth from the sun as it's trying to make a difference. And that was the case today. Sun comes out. Wow, we finally get some less cold weather. Looking ahead to the weekend, 13 weather ball is green. There's no change to that positive improvement foreseen. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. And they're opening. Great news. 55 was our forecast high, made 56 just a little while ago. We are back on track within 3 degrees of our forecast. So our weather is going to continue to improve throughout the weekend. The rain again is trending a little bit further south. It will still probably get Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, and temperatures this weekend will be in the 50s. Lots of sunshine on Sunday, but a kind of a brisk northeast wind, so we're not going to get into the 60s quite yet. But the rain does return now Monday afternoon. It was going to be on Monday night or Tuesday. It's now backing up into Monday afternoon, and it may linger into Thursday. Another one of those slow-moving low-pressure systems moving through the region with highs in the 50s and low 60s, but at least it's a little bit warmer. Looks like right now, next weekend is going to be dry and on the sunnier side. The skies have been gradually clearing throughout the day today. Improvement all the way around, and where the sun has come out, temperatures have rebounded well up into the low and mid 50s, and we're going to be with this clearing trend at least for a few more hours. But the next weather system down to the south, there it is in Iowa and Missouri. That is going to be moving up with the clouds towards daybreak tomorrow. Right now, we've got those winds out of the north-northwest. They're going to be more of the northeast as that low-pressure system goes by over the weekend. Let's track your weather. Skies have been clearing, and they'll stay mostly clear until late tonight. These are the high clouds coming on in. Notice where the rain is, south of the Michigan-Indiana border at 7 o'clock in the morning. It does kind of creep up, get a little bit closer to South Haven and Kalamazoo late in the day, and maybe briefly Battle Creek. But then the clouds clear as that system moves away, and we get into some sunshine. But look at those winds, the steady winds at about 19 to 20 miles an hour out of the north and northwest eventually. Rainfall amounts, we've been tracking this all week long. Nothing overnight tonight, but during the day tomorrow, you can see it get up right up just north of the Michigan-Indiana border. Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, if you remember yesterday, it brought it all the way up to Grand Rapids. Now it is trending a little bit further south, and that will be the trend throughout the rest of the weekend. But the rain does return then during the day on Monday. As far as our temperatures, we'll be just about virtually the same everywhere, up into the mid-50s because of our winds will be out of the east and northeast, so the lakeshore areas will be warmer, or just as warm, but look at where it happens over on the other side of the lake. Downwind of the lake, it's only in the 40s. Close to 60 on Sunday in Kalamazoo, will be 58 here in Grand Rapids, and on Monday, even despite some showers coming in late in the day, will be very similar, highs in the mid-50s to near 60. Every Friday, the long-range outlook is issued by the Weather Prediction Center. This starts on May 9th through the 22nd. I like the trend of this. We're starting to see that cold air retreat. Off to our south and west, high probability of warmer temperatures, and also off to our south and west, a high probability of more rain. I could use more warm weather. Forecast then for tomorrow, heavily filtered sunshine. Some showers, maybe South Haven south. Highs will be in the mid-50s. Up north, just heavily filtered sunshine with highs up into the mid-50s as well. Grand Rapids southward, if there's any rain now, it appears it'll be in Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. Highs, though, in the mid-50s. 13 on your side forecast. 60s early next week. We'll drop back into the 50s before the rain is done. And then we'll be back into the 60s, hopefully, with some sunshine next weekend.